Hello everybody, welcome back to Discovery channel. Today we've got sizzling recipe that's going to elevate your grilling game. Adana Kebab, grilled lamb skewers, but before we dive into it, don't forget, subscribe, click that notification bell and like the videos to support us. We have 3 pounds ground lamb, 1 red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon salt. Outside we have grill and we're gonna grill that vegetables on the side of kebab, so it will be delicious. I'll give you some recipes about appetizers, but I will divide that video. It's gonna be long video. I will start to prepare my ground lamb and I'll wait a little bit. First thing first, grab that red bell pepper and I will finely chop it. We want like minced. It's gonna be like flavor-packed confetti. All right, guys, almost ready. I want really minced and really small pieces like paste. I have 1 full of the tablespoon paprika and full of the tablespoon crushed pepper. This one is mild. If you want, you can put more hot. Actually, the original Adana kebab is really hot, but we're gonna eat with my kids. So we need to make little mild. I'll add 1 tablespoon salt. I'll knead them. I will knead really good and make all the flavor gets each other, distribute equally. Yes. Here we go. It's ready. It will wait a little bit in the fridge and we will keep going to prepare something. All right. These guys are gonna go to grill. I'll make some appetizers. So, side of the kebab. I'm sure you will like that crazy recipe. It's really easy. The hard part is, I'll show you, to put in skewers. But you will learn if you practice. Anyway, not easy. Yes, I can't wait. That's really perfect. So I'll send those to the grill. We have wood fire outside. Hey Mohammed, grab them. Hey Toprak. Give them to your brother. Cook it well, baby. Hey Lena. Yemek.
Oh,
Go ahead. I love you, baby. You're my mermaid. I'll make some shepherd salad. Our vegetables cooked. Here. I'll put in skewers and we're ready to go to grill. And I can't wait to eat. Most important thing, you need clean water with you and make your hand wet. Wet your hand to don't stick your hand ground lamb. Grab whole full of your hand and put two skewers and give shape to ground lamb. Very easy. Maybe you need to make some practice, but don't worry. I trust my followers. They're gonna do their job pretty well. And you'll enjoy it. See? Put your hands to the water first. Make your hands wet. And grab that ground lamb. Here we go. Adana kebab. Finally, guys, we're ready. Did you like it? Did you like it? Oh yeah. They're so hungry. Finally, we got it. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with your friend and write any comment if you have any idea or expectation. Until next time, you have a great day. We will enjoy that beautiful meal. And I hope one time you will be our guest. We will try together. Have a great day. Say bye.
Bye. Bye. Be happy.
Cheers.